everyone, I'm Grace, a 9th grader student from SD Halubuk Linggau. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple onion carbonara spaghetti. Before I show you how to make it, I will show you all the tools and ingredients needed first. First, you will need 1 liter of water, and then black pepper, olive oil, milk, and then 1 tablespoon of salt, and then 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, spaghetti, 1 slice of cheese, sausage, and hams, and then onion. For the tools and material, you will need 2 huge pan and a wooden spatula. First, cut the onion into cubes. Second, pour a little bit of olive oil and then fry the cubed onions. Third, take another pan and fill it with 1 liter of water. Boil it and add the raw spaghetti into the pan for around 10 minutes. Next, take that one pan with onions and then add sausage and ham. After that, put 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 slice of cheese, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. After the spaghetti is done, take it out of the pan and then add it to the other pan. Mix it until you're sure about the creamy texture, and it should be a little bit of salty. And finally, your simple onion carbonara spaghetti is ready to serve. Onions are loaded with antioxidants, also contain cancer-fighting compounds, which is very good for our body, and also milk and cheese are high in proteins that could maintain our antibodies. I can say that this dish is very simple yet very tasty, and I guess anyone could cook this within an hour. So I usually don't share if I'm having a good dish, but this time I decided to share it with you, so don't forget to give it a try. Let's keep our body healthy, everyone. Let's consume vegetable juices, fruits, vegetables, onions, or you can just simply eat anything that could keep our body healthy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help. Thank you.